Guys, there's so much history when it comes to Broccolini. Tell us a little bit more.
So Broccolini started in 1949 when Donato Broccolini had a vision to start building single-family homes. From then, we've expanded across Toronto, Montreal, and Ottawa to not only do residential, but industrial and commercial as well. The Broccolinis now have 3 generations that have worked in the business. Plan on expanding further with the generations that come.
At the organizational level, there's so many things that the collective do to achieve the results that are desired, but there's always a guiding light or what people call the core values or principles. What does that look like for Broccolini?
Broccolini's family legacy has a long history, starting with single-family homes, expanding to industrial, commercial, residential. But everything is structured under these 4 key pillars that shape all the decisions that are made in everything we do at Broccolini. Pride and passion, entrepreneurial spirit, collaboration, and integrity really shapes the business every day.
There's so much history, there's so much passion behind what you're saying. In choosing sites all over the country, what is it that makes Toronto so special? What is it that attracts a company like Broccolini to Toronto? What's the thought process?
So we're looking for opportunities where things are happening, things are coming to life. In the East End, where we're located right now, there's transit opportunities coming. There's redevelopments. The Portlands are being redeveloped. There's just so many things coming here, and we want to be a key player and here first.
Broccolini is all about quality. You've done industrial, you've done commercial, a whole host of different projects. How do Broccolini encapsulate that in residential builds?
I think one of the most key factors to point out with Broccolini is they're family owned. Their construction teams are mostly in-house, and having that allows us to streamline our quality in build as well as design.
75 years, 3 offices, Toronto, Montreal, Ottawa. Now you guys have done commercial, industrial, residential. You're in Toronto in a meaningful way. What's the next step? What's happening now?
So in Toronto, we're typically known for our industrial clients. We've worked on projects such as Tesla. We've built under Cadillac Fairview, but we're very well known in Montreal for our residential buildings. We've definitely shaped the skyline in Montreal, and now we've come to Toronto to do the same. Our first project's River and Fifth, that's closing at the end of July, and our next project is the Riv, which is currently in the sales phase. And we plan on, purchasing more sites across Toronto and really making our mark here.
Sustainability Day is becoming a huge part of all agendas, be it the political agenda, the architectural agenda, just the general landscape in real estate. How does Broccolini work with sustainability?
We've built under LEED certified, and we definitely have a focus on outdoor amenity spaces, not only for our residences, but giving back to the broader neighborhood and letting them take advantage of park spaces, green spaces that we're providing and giving back.
After all of these years and all of this experience, there's successes, there's failures. Tell us about the awards, the recognition. What does that look like for you guys?
So we've won design awards across various projects, but really our biggest award comes from accolades from our clients and our broker community. Hearing that the product looks great, our clients are happy, our homeowners are happy, that's our biggest award that we can achieve.
In the GTA, there's so many cranes, there's so many projects that are coming up all the time. And from a consumer perspective, when they're looking at it, their satisfaction they're paying for with dollars. Tell us more about that.
We design inside out with our homeowners in mind to really ensure the functionality in the space and how they're going to use their living areas, as well as the amenities. We take a look at what people are using today, what they want in buildings, and the external amenities as well, what's in the surrounding neighborhood, and really tie everything together to make the best living situation for our homeowners where they can really live, work, and play.
So innovation drives progress. How do Broccolini keep up to date with technologies?
So Broccolini has our Home by Broccolini smart home system that integrates key pieces that just make things easier in your suite and in the condo. Integrated concierge and keyless keypad and smart home systems within your unit.
Potential buyers looking to purchase a Broccolini project, what advice would you give them?
I think knowing the impact that Broccolini has had on the Montreal market, it's so incredible to see them now translate it to the Toronto market. With quality workmanship, great price per square foot, coming into neighborhoods that are growing exponentially over the next few years, bringing new jobs to the area, obviously lifestyle in mind with new parks. These are all important things for buyers to know as we move forward and push through the Toronto space.
Yeah, it's all about infrastructure, where we're going, where we're heading. And on that topic, where's Broccolini heading next after the RIV?
Well, I think one of the key things about Broccolini is their land banking. They own a ton of land in Toronto as well as north of Toronto, so throughout the GTA. Not only do we have the RIV, which is their second project underneath their own name in Toronto. River and Fifth is coming near completion, and we're going to have some few units that are left there. A new project coming up at Bloor, and as well as north in the GTA as well.